In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Google Flow. Now to do this, you want to go to your browser of choice and you want to type in Google Flow. Whenever you've done this, you want to click on, of course, the correct website over here, and this will take you to Google Flow's official website. Now to actually log in, it's super simple. You want to scroll down a bit, and here it's going to say Create with Google Flow. You simply want to click on this button. And then from here, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account. So to be actually able to log into Google Flow, you're going to have to sign in with a Google account. So just pick your Google account. I'm going to click on this one over here, which I use for video tutorials. And it's going to start loading, and there we go. It's going to log you in to your Google Flow account. If you have any projects, it's going to look like this, but if you don't, it's going to be blank and empty, and you can go ahead and get started by creating a new project. So that's how to log in. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.